Do you hesitate to speak up in meetings? And you really don't know why? Well, let me tell you, it is definitely not stage fright. Stage fright to nahi hai. It's not even lack of confidence. But can I tell you, this might be just conditioning while you were growing up, जिसके बारे में आपको कोई idea ही नहीं है. Want to know that? Well, this is something what nobody might just tell you. Well, the way you speak or possibly don't speak as an adult was shaped how you were spoken to as a child. सोचो, क्या आपको कभी किसी ने ऐसा बोला है कि बच्चे बड़ों से आर्ग्यू नहीं करते? Don't speak when big people are talking. और अगर आपने कुछ बोला तो आपको मेंटोर नहीं किया गया, आपको उस पे बहुत सुनाया गया, डांट पड़ी और you were mocked. Result? Well, आपने साइलेंट को सेफ्टी समझ लिया and that is actually running the show today. आज आप बोल ही नहीं पाते हो. So let me tell you about this one professional, 12 years of experience, superbly successful, लेकिन जब भी उसको अपने सीनियर्स के सामने कुछ बोलना पड़ता था, she would go quiet. And then we got into our coaching sessions, I spoke with her and we dug deep into her past. We came to know that when she was a child, she was constantly stopped from speaking, सिर्फ ये कह के कि बड़ों के आगे बिल्कुल नहीं बोलना है. And that is exactly how her life was running. तो उस अपनी टीम के आगे, अपने peers के साथ, she was wonderful, very confident. But जब उसको अपने सीनियर्स के सामने बोलना पड़ता था, she would go quiet, she would lose all the confidence. आपके साथ भी ऐसा तो नहीं हो रहा है? Her 7-year-old जिसको बोला गया था don't speak when elders are talking was still running her life. Do you also feel that maybe my point is stupid? Maybe I should not be saying this? मुझे बोलना चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए? Well, if that is happening, शायद ये confidence आज का नहीं है, आपके childhood का है. So you thought that you were weak in communication, but you were just made to feel small and you stopped communicating clearly. But the good news is that all of this can be unlearned. Want to know that? Stay on. I'm going to share 3 simple ways to begin and rewire your voice. The first is reparent your inner voice. Reparent? आप सोचोगे ये क्या होता है? So बचपन में आपको constantly आपके elders या parents बोलते रहे keep quiet. अब आप अपने आप को बोलते हो keep quiet. So stop telling yourself keep quiet. In fact, tell yourself I have earned my voice and I deserve to be heard. Reparenting is very important to rewire yourself. The second, start safe disagreements. Practice disagreeing in small stake situations. Small stake means जहाँ पर बहुत चीजें stake पर नहीं है. It's not a highly professional space. You can do this with your friends, your family members, or possibly with your peers for small little instances where you feel कि आपके ओपिनियन थोड़े अलग है जो बात चल रही है. How can you do that? You can just say, I see it a little differently. Can I share what my point of view is? Or you can say, that's an interesting space. I have another angle to it. इस तरीके से आप अपनी बात को कहना सीख जाओगे and keep practicing in these low-stake situations. The reason is you were never given that language to disagree. High time that you learn it and speak up. And the third, anchor your new affirmations. So next time when you enter a meeting में जाने से पहले या कोई important high stake conversation में घुसने से पहले अपने mind को reaffirm करिए and anchor yourself to that thought. And what can you say? You can find your own affirmation and create one. Like you can say, I have an important point to contribute. My voice deserves to be heard. I am safe to speak up. आप अपने लिए अपने affirmations बना के उस चीज को हमेशा यूज करो when you're entering an important meeting. Anchor yourselves to it. My friends, try these 3 simple things and this is where your transformation begins. And this is exactly the work I do. I do not just teach public speaking. I rewire the internal speaker in you. I heal that person inside you. Because communication is not just a skill, it's a reflection of the story that you carry with you. And when you rewrite that story, your voice comes back bolder and stronger. And if you are ready to rewrite it, just follow these 3 things. By the way, I want to ask you, what's that one sentence from your childhood that echoes in your mind when you try to speak even today? Let's talk. And until then, stay connected.